Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm really excited because we're taking a deep and detailed look at one of the most legendary SUVs in the world, the 2027 Toyota Land Cruiser 300. The Land Cruiser name has always stood for durability, reliability, and unstoppable performance, and the 2027 model takes that reputation to a whole new level. This is not just a minor update, it's a well-thought-out evolution that brings more luxury, more technology, and even better performance while staying true to its hardcore off-road roots. Let's start by talking about the exterior design. The 2027 Land Cruiser 300 still looks bold and muscular, but Toyota has refined the details to make it feel more modern and premium. At the front, the new grille immediately grabs attention with its stronger, more three-dimensional design. It looks wider and more aggressive, giving the SUV a commanding road presence. The LED headlights have been redesigned to look sharper, and the new daytime running light signature makes the vehicle instantly recognizable, especially at night. The front bumper has also been reworked to improve approach angles for off-road driving, and the skid plates are now more robust, offering better protection when driving over rough terrain. From the side, the Land Cruiser keeps its iconic boxy shape, which many fans absolutely love. However, new alloy wheel designs bring a fresh and upscale touch. Depending on the trim, you can get wheels ranging from 18 inches to 20 inches, and for serious off-road enthusiasts, there are all-terrain tire options available. The side steps have been improved for easier entry and exit, especially useful for families and long trips. They also add to the rugged look while protecting the body from rocks and debris. At the rear, the LED taillights have a new lighting pattern, and the tailgate design feels cleaner and more refined, giving the SUV a premium finish without losing its tough character. Now let's step inside the cabin, where the biggest transformation has happened. The interior of the 2027 Land Cruiser 300 feels significantly more luxurious than before. As soon as you sit in the driver's seat, you notice the improved materials and thoughtful design. The dashboard follows a horizontal layout that makes the cabin feel wide and spacious. Soft touch leather, high-quality stitching, wood accents, and metallic details all come together to create a comfortable and upscale environment that feels perfect for both daily driving and long adventures. At the center of the dashboard is a large touchscreen display with Toyota's latest infotainment system. In the 2027 model, the system is faster, smoother, and much more intuitive. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are supported, making smartphone integration seamless. The navigation system has improved graphics and better responsiveness, and it's especially useful during long road trips. One standout feature is the advanced off-road camera system, which gives you a clear view of the terrain around the vehicle. This is incredibly helpful when driving on rocky paths or steep trails where visibility is limited. The seats deserve special mention. The front seats are designed for maximum comfort, with excellent support for long-distance driving. Heated and ventilated seat options are available, depending on the trim level. The second-row seats offer generous legroom and headroom, making them comfortable even for tall passengers. If you choose the three-row version, the third row is more usable than before, with easier access and improved comfort. Folding and unfolding the third-row seats is now much simpler, which greatly improves cargo flexibility. With all seats folded, the cargo space is massive, making this SUV ideal for family trips, camping, or carrying heavy equipment. When it comes to performance, the 2027 Toyota Land Cruiser 300 truly shines. Depending on the market, it is available with multiple powertrain options, but the focus remains on strong, reliable performance. The twin-turbo V6 gasoline engine delivers smooth acceleration and plenty of power, making highway driving effortless. For those who prefer diesel, the V6 diesel option provides massive torque, which is perfect for towing and off-road driving. No matter which engine you choose, the Land Cruiser feels confident and capable in every situation. The automatic transmission has been refined to deliver smooth and almost unnoticeable gear changes. On the highway, the ride is surprisingly quiet and comfortable for such a large SUV. But where the Land Cruiser truly proves its worth is off the road. The advanced four-wheel drive system, electronic differential locks, and multi-terrain select system allow the vehicle to adapt to different surfaces like sand, mud, snow, and rocks. The suspension setup strikes a great balance, offering comfort on paved roads and stability and control on rough terrain. Fuel efficiency has also seen improvements compared to previous models. Thanks to weight reduction and more efficient engines, the 2027 Land Cruiser 300 offers better mileage, which is impressive for a full-size SUV. While it's not designed to be a fuel saver, the